What's going on, guys? For today's video we have a Supreme Daniel Johnston live cop. Now I know there's a few other things coming out, but this week's basically highlighted by the Daniel Johnston collab. We're going to be going for that. This week we got my girlfriend Ashley back on the channel so we can go for this. We're running super late. The drop is in less than 2 minutes, so we're running extremely late, so I'm just going to be super quick. So obviously the lawn chair is coming out, which is like my top priority, but there's so many other things coming. I have my friend trying to get that for me, so I will see how well that goes. I'm not running my iOS bot because that thing is just a brick. It doesn't work. There's really no point in setting it all up. So all we're going to go for is all the Daniel Johnston tees, the Daniel Johnston beanie, and the lawn chair, but personally I won't be going for the lawn chair. I also have Ashley trying to get some of the tees as well. Let me load up this screen recording because we got like 1 minute until the drop now. Usually I'm always talking in the beginning, but we don't have that time today. So 2, 1, go. Alright, screen recording is now live. So like you guys always say, like I always say, I always load in on the new, but you guys want me to load in on the t-shirts, but did any t-shirts even come out? No, so I really can't load in on the t-shirts, I don't think. So I'm gonna have to load in on new. I don't know if I mentioned either, but I am going to try to get these all in the same cart because I am looking forward to that free shipping. Honestly, I don't even know how Supreme sells out because every time in the comments, everyone is just clowning everything, but somehow still stuff sells out. So even though everyone is roasting this collaboration, I still think it's pretty fire personally. So I'm just gonna try to get it all in the same cart. Don't know how well it's gonna go, but I feel like it's gonna make for a good video. Yeah, like 20 seconds left until the drop. So let's start refreshing.
I gotta
Make sure you drop a like on this video if you haven't already. All right, and it is 11 and we are live. Let's see, where's everything at? Oh, there we go. I want the this one the most, whatever you want to call this. Also, huge shout out to Supreme too because some of the proceeds for this drop will be going towards some sort of charity. I didn't really research that, but that's good for them. So let's see if we got these two in the cart. Not looking so hot. Looks like we're experiencing a lot of lag. Okay, we got two in the cart. Moving on to the next. Okay, can't seem to get this in the cart.
not loading, so.
And it looks like Ashley's not really loading in. And then I'm just gonna go for the beanie. Nothing is really loading. I'm clicking on everything, so no surprise there.
Yeah, I'm clicking at.
Okay, we got it all in the cart. Let's see if we can actually get this checkout. Nope, whole shop just reset. Wow, I'm actually kind of shocked to be honest for this type of drop. Like the best thing was really that lawn chair in my opinion.
What am I not loading anything?
Let me open up this other tab. How's this looking? Yeah, wow. So this is probably a brick. The chair's still here, so that's good to see. Okay, we got to the cart. Wow, the frog tee sold out. Interesting. Dang, I can't load anything.
Me either.
Might just try to get this on a medium if I can add it to my cart.
Yeah, me too.
Wow, I'm honestly like super shocked about this. Wow, there goes the frog tee again. Maybe I should have single carted that frog tee. I didn't think it was that hype. All right, let's try this again. Okay, so we made it this far. This is good.
This is lagging so bad for me.
Yeah, which is weird though. So hopefully we did get this, because if we did, this will be free shipping, which is what I was going for. Still loading. I'm not really going for anything else, so I don't really want to go to a new tab. I'm spamming the button right now. Don't know how well this is going right now. All right, let's go. Come on.
And
Everyone's carjacking me right now. Come on. Let's go.
this isn't even in my cart. It's saying in cart.
Let's go. Someone's gonna be sold out. It's guaranteed. It's gotta be. It's gotta be. All right, let's go. Come on. It's like frozen on the processing.
Yep.
Well, this is just an L.
I wonder. Okay, I click an extra large and it moves it to a medium when it goes to my cart.
This is like worse than box logo day. I don't really know if the lawn chair is in stock or not, but let me add that to my cart. So yeah, what is going on? It's literally frozen. Oh wow, I actually did get that order. So okay, all right. Didn't see that coming, so I actually did get that order. That took forever to load. I did not get the shirt I wanted, that frog tee in that mint colorway.
Oh,
so that's
I
a
got
little
them
sad.
too.
Oh, you did get
I
it.
swear I did not get a medium and it made it a medium. I swear.
That's fine.
Okay.
But that sucks you did not get the free shipping. That hurts.
Oh
Yeah,
wait.
because you were missing one of the tees. So Ashley did hit two, but she didn't. She missed one of the shirts. Don't really know why that was loading like that. I also don't know if I got the chair. You know, should I just try to get the chair? Is it really in stock? No way. Yeah, you able to add that?
I'm trying. It says sold out.
I don't think my friend hit for me though because I didn't get the email and I gave him my email to use. And this is still not letting me add. So this is probably out of stock. Although I did say I didn't think I was going to get that order because it's taking so long. So who really knows if this is out of stock? Let me just try opening up like a full new tab. see what's going on here. Oh yeah, chair is sold out. Okay, but it still shows it here.
Try the large too.
Yeah, so this chair's gotta be sold out. I can't even add it. Like it shows it's sold out, then I click on it, I'm just getting trolled now. So I really hope I did get that chair, but with the lack of email, I'm assuming I didn't.
Oh, I got my email.
You did? All right, good. So we got one of the emails.
I did get the frog tea. Oh.
So I'm assuming I did not get the chair, so that's a huge bummer, honestly. Thought for sure that was gonna be a dub because I wasn't going for that. Also, I forgot about these gloves too. Were they really 38? Yeah, they were.
All the shirts are so on top.
So that's crazy to me that frog tea went so fast. I would have tried to single cart that if I would have known. I wasn't expecting that to happen because I love that mint colorway. Maybe I could trade up, but I doubt it. Let's see how the rest of the collabs do. And I got black. At least I think I got black. Everything's still in stock. Crazy. I still think the drop was sick. Everything seems to be in stock though, except the chair. Yeah, the chair is sold out, so I probably took an L on the chair. But luckily, we did get everything else. So it was a weird drop. That took forever to load. We missed the free shipping on one order though, so that was a heartbreaker. But we still got it. Missed the one thing I wanted was the chair, and missed the other thing I wanted was the frog tea in that mint colorway. But we still got some things. That's good. I feel like these are all going to be hold items. Like I said, I love this collab. I also failed to mention at the beginning because we were in such a rush. The last video did not get 20 likes, but I still wanted to drop this live cop because I thought this collab was sick. And last week that live cop barely even counted. So the fact that it didn't get the 20 likes, I completely understand. I went for just the lighter and I woke up again like 2 minutes early. But I hope you did enjoy this video. If you want to see us do another live cop next week, get this video to 20 likes. So make sure you hit that like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell so you can be notified anytime I upload another video. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Forgot to mention too, I now have a playlist with all my other live cops. If you want to go check all those out, it will be in the, I think it's on the side or in the description down below. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. We're out.